Watch the rubber band in the bottle. 1, 2, 3. And watch they pop under the bottle.
Don't rip it!
All the way around. Just like that.
Oh.
And looks like it changes into a different card. 1, 2, 3. Just like that, a cloud magically appears inside the bottle.
That is a cloud.
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, EvanEra. Today I'm showing you 5 easy magic tricks that you can do at home. So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button for me and let's go. Here's a cool trick you can pull off with stuff that you probably already have around the house.
So watch the rubber band in the bottle. 1, 2, 3. And watch they pop under the bottle. Just like
Are you
that.
kidding? That's a real rubber band. Are you serious? That was amazing.
Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now.
All you're gonna need for this trick is a rubber band and a water bottle. You're gonna start the trick with the rubber band around the water bottle, and you wanna do this preparation before the trick starts. You're gonna stretch it out just like this using your thumb. Your next step is to take your pointer finger, your index finger, and you're going to insert it inside the loop just like this. And you're going to bring it back over like that, and these fingers are going to extend out and sweep that band across just like that. Now you're gonna tilt your hand over like this. Now this is going to create the illusion that you just have the rubber band looped around your index finger and thumb. And you're gonna hide the rubber band being around the bottle with the other fingers just like this. Now to create the illusion that the rubber band has just passed through the bottle, all you have to do is bring these fingers out from around and let it snap onto the bottle just like that. Check this out. 1, 2, 3. And the rubber band magically jumps onto the water bottle just like that. So try this one out at home. All you need is a rubber band and a water bottle and these newfound sleight of hand skills.
And that is how you do the magic rubber band through the water bottle trick. Next up is a cool card trick that you can do at home. Take a look.
Here's a simple and easy way to do a card fan.
Want another secret? Here's how it's done.
So all you're going to do is take one card out of the deck. I will point out this works best with a brand new deck of cards. You want to take the card and insert it about 3/4 of the way. You want maybe 15 or 20 cards on top of this, just like that. And you're going to insert it perpendicular to the rest of the cards. And then your thumb and middle finger are going to come over and pinch in this corner right here. Now all you have to do to make the fan is grab this corner right here with your finger and push. The cards will automatically fan out in this nice spiral spread. Try that at home and impress your friends and family.
And that is the secret to automatically fanning a deck of cards. Here's an amazing trick that combines science and magic to bring weather indoors.
Okay, check this out. I have an empty plastic bottle here. On the count of 3, you see something happen. Watch. 1, 2, 3. Just like that, a cloud magically appears inside the bottle.
That is a cloud. Oh, cool. Twist it. It like sits still. What? That is cool. Yes.
I'll teach you the secret now.
The secret to the magic cloud in the bottle trick is coming up next.
This is a special cap. This is more of a science experiment / magic trick. This forces air pressure into the bottle, and as you can see, we have a little bit of water here in the base, and it's going to turn that water into water vapor as soon as we open the bottle. So this cap has a special release lid here. Once we pump it full of air like this, forcing air down into the bottle until you can't pump anymore. And then we have this release button here. You just press it. As you can see, a cloud instantly appears inside the bottle. Super easy to do. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm giving this away to one lucky comment.
And that is how you do the magic cloud in the bottle trick. Here's a fun illusion that you can pull off at home to really freak out your friends and family. Take a look at this performance.
Okay, this is a really cool one that you can pull off at home. So check this out. I have a cardboard box down here on my leg. You can see my shoe down there at the bottom. So watch. This is called the twisting leg illusion. Watch. If I just turn my leg like this, actually turn all the way around. Just like that.
The setup is more simple than you might think. check it out.
This is a really easy trick that you can set up at home. The secret is all in the shoe and the box. So you're going to need a long cardboard box just like this that your leg can slide down inside. You're also going to slip off one of your shoes and tape it on the inside of the box so that the shoe will hang at the bottom of the box just like this, and it looks like your foot is in the shoe. So that's the entire illusion. All we have to do is then twist the box around and keep our leg in place. Try it out at home. All you need is a cardboard box, some shoes, and some tape.
Now you know the secret of the magic twisting leg illusion. Here's an easy trick with money that's sure to get a great reaction.
Okay, cool money trick to show you. So I have a dollar bill here. Watch, I'm actually gonna take the bill
Don't rip it!
and tear it up just like this.
Why are we doing that?
Check it out. I'm actually gonna tear it again. Don't worry, it's part of the magic.
I know, we're always ripping up money.
Just like that, we're gonna tear the bill
Yeah.
into 4 separate pieces. You can verify for everybody those are 4 different pieces of the bill, yes?
Yes.
Okay, check this out. We're gonna take it, we're just gonna put it down in this little tray right here, okay?
Okay.
Empty tray. Watch, we're gonna set the pieces down just
Okay.
like this. All right, now watch. Hold that for me. Perfect.
You know what?
Take a match, light it. Watch, if I take the bill just like this,
Yeah.
watch.
Ooh!
Look, actually magically restores.
Oh! Great. Yes.
Just like that.
That's awesome.
The secret to the magic torn and restored dollar is coming up next.
So all you're gonna need to pull this off is a real dollar bill. It's just a regular paper banknote. You can use any currency for this trick. And you're also going to need a flash bill. This is a dollar bill that's actually been printed on flash paper. It's very similar to flash cards. Just the image of a playing card printed on flash paper so that when you light it, the flash paper instantly disappears and looks like it changes into a different card. We have flashcards available now at EvanEraTV.com. Check the link in the description if you want to get some today. So the flash bill is exactly like the flash card. When you light the flash paper on fire, it will instantly disappear and it will leave behind the real bill. So here's the handling for concealing this behind the flash bill. So what you're gonna do is before the trick starts, you're gonna take the bill and moisten it just a little bit so that it doesn't burn. You're gonna fold it up into quarters just like this. And on the back of the flash bill, you're just going to conceal it right there so that from the front view your audience cannot see it. Your next step is to present the bill and tear it up. Really try to play up this moment. Obviously you tearing up money in front of people is going to get a reaction, and then you're going to take the pieces of the bill, drop them down inside of a tin like this, or you can put them on a plate, something like that, or you could just set them on the ground. Then you're just going to take a match, drop it in, and it's going to do all the work for you. And it looks like the bill is just magically restored via fire.
And that is how you do the magic torn and restored dollar trick. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button on the video and share it with someone you think might like it as well. I really do appreciate all the likes and shares on the videos. If you take the time to share the videos on your Facebook, your Twitter, or your Instagram, I really do appreciate that. If you're new to our channel and you like the show, help the channel grow by sharing a video, and be sure to tag me in it or use the hashtag EvanEraTV. In addition to YouTube, we're also on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Links for that are in the description down below as well. Be sure to head over to EvanEraTV.com. That is our online shop. We have a lot of really cool merch, fun magic tricks that anyone can do, funny pranks, and we have a huge sale going on all of our Laugh at Life merchandise. So up to 30% off all of the LAL gear. Head over to EvanEraTV.com or shoplaughatlife.com and check out all the sales. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. Giving away the magic cloud in the bottle trick and 5 packs of magic flash bills to 6 lucky comments in the comment section down below. So if you want to win the giveaway, all you have to do is hit the thumbs up button on this video, be subscribed to EvanEraTV, and leave a comment in the comment section. Leave as many comments as you want down below. In fact, the more comments that you leave, the better your chances of winning the giveaway, because I'll be going through the comment section, picking random comments, and mailing out the magic to you. And it's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last how-to magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. If you won, be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen right here to claim your prize.
So watch the rubber band in the bottle. 1, 2, 3. Watch it pop. And looks like it changes into a different card. Just like that. It's
Whoa.
magically appears inside the bottle.
We're going to be in Vancouver, Canada next week for a special project, so stay tuned for that. And if you missed the last episode of How To Magic, it's right over there. The shop is right down there if you want to grab some merch and support the channel. Hit the subscribe button if you're new and tap the notification bell so you see all of our videos. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.